In the heart of downtown Portland on July 3rd, investigators say Jet Thomas came close to killing a U.S. Marshals deputy who was working as a Pioneer Courthouse security officer. Shots from security video show how it unfolded. Thomas climbed a courthouse gate, choked and punched the officer in the head, put him in a chokehold outside, and then hit him in the head with his radio.
Oh yeah, they were tussling pretty aggressively, and like I said, the suspect was getting the best of the security guard.
According to an affidavit, a witness told investigators that the officer's face was turning purplish blue. Before anyone could call for help, the officer got away and shot Thomas twice in the stomach.
I heard two pat-pats, and I was like, whoa.
Both men survived their injuries. Thomas is charged with assaulting a federal employee. But it's what happened right after the shooting that makes Aaron Schmautz, a police union president, ask, what if it was worse?
At the end of the day, if someone's experiencing a medical crisis in this city, when they call 911, it's our moral responsibility to have an ambulance available. Just full stop.
In the affidavit, FBI Special Agent Joseph Youngblood said there was no ambulance available to take the officer to the hospital, so U.S. Marshals employees drove him themselves. The officer said he had head and neck pain during the ride, and he was bleeding from his mouth and his ear.
Our officer, the hero who's involved in this incident, we're going to get them to help. But, having that kind of first major level of advanced health and medical care is a huge kind of life or death reality. The sooner you get people to care, the sooner that you have a chance of them surviving.
KGW recently obtained data from the Portland Bureau of Emergency Communications that confirms Youngblood's report. Multnomah County ambulance provider AMR was at level 0 on the morning of July 3rd, meaning it had no ambulance available to send to a serious assault on a federal officer.
Our entire kind of woven web of public safety needs help. We need more firefighters, we need more paramedics.
AMR being at level 0 is nothing new. Dispatchers couldn't immediately send an ambulance crew to 29 different 911 calls on July 3rd, the day of this alleged assault. In Multnomah County, more than 6,000 emergency calls have received the level 0 treatment this year alone. The company says it's working to increase staffing and solve this problem by triaging ambulance response. County leaders have called AMR's performance incredibly disturbing, but have so far declined to fine the company or force changes. As for the officer's decision to shoot Thomas, a witness told the FBI that they believed Thomas intended to choke out and kill the officer, and the officer's actions were reasonable. If convicted, Thomas faces a maximum of 20 years in prison. Brittany?
Wow. All right. Thanks so much, Evan.